Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you could join me today because we're diving into a tool that I've been really excited about, Domain Activator. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect domain name for a new project or business, or if you're looking to get into domain flipping, then this tool might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to give you a full review of Domain Activator and show you exactly how it works and why I think it could save you a ton of time and money. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the problem Domain Activator is trying to solve. As anyone who's been in the domain game knows, finding a great domain name can be a pain. Not only do you have to come up with something unique and catchy, but you also need to make sure it's available and valuable. And let's not forget that checking domain values using traditional tools can get expensive, especially if you're evaluating a lot of domains at once. That's where Domain Activator comes in. It's an AI-powered software that not only helps you generate domain names based on keywords or topics, but it also evaluates the value of these domains, giving you insights into how much they could potentially be worth in the short and long term. What I love about this tool is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to figure it out. You can start by entering a topic or keyword related to your business or project, and the AI does the rest. It generates a list of potential domain names based on that input. You can even customize the domain name generation by selecting how many words you want in the domain, choosing specific words to include or exclude, and picking which domain extensions you want to check, whether it's .com, .net, .io, or even more obscure ones. And this is a big deal because Domain Activator has over 1,300 extensions available, giving you a lot of flexibility in choosing the perfect domain for your needs. Once you've entered your details, the software uses AI to generate these domain names at lightning speed. And here's where it gets even cooler. It also appraises the domain names it generates. This means you can get an instant valuation for each domain, broken down into short-term and long-term prices. The short-term value is what you might get if you flip the domain quickly, while the long-term value is what it could be worth if you held onto it for a while, especially if you plan to build a brand around it or sell it to an end user later on. Now, let's talk about the valuation feature because this is honestly a game changer. If you've ever used other domain valuation tools, you know that they can get pretty expensive, sometimes charging hundreds or even thousands of dollars for just a few appraisals. With Domain Activator, you get unlimited domain valuations included, which can save you a lot of money in the long run, especially if you're evaluating a lot of domains. The valuations come from a reputable company that has sold thousands of domains, so you can trust that the prices are accurate. But it doesn't stop there. One of my favorite features of Domain Activator is the ability to import domains from external sources. Let's say you've found a list of potential domains online, or maybe you've come across a website with a lot of domains you're interested in. You can copy that list, import it into Domain Activator, and the software will instantly check the availability of those domains across different extensions. And just like that, you'll be able to see which ones are available for purchase and get their valuations. Another cool thing about this tool is its AI browser feature. This allows you to connect to your favorite AI chat engines like ChatGPT or Bing's AI, right within the software. If you don't have a specific idea in mind for a domain, you can just let the AI do the thinking for you. The browser will automatically generate domain names based on whatever prompt you give it. After the AI generates the names, you can extract them directly into Domain Activator to check their availability and value. This really streamlines the process and makes it incredibly easy to come up with high-quality domain names without having to bounce between different tools and websites. And let's not forget the preloaded prompts. Domain Activator comes with over 230 preloaded prompts across 22 different categories, which is super helpful if you're in a specific niche or industry. For example, if you're working in pet care or outdoor adventure blogs, you can select a prompt related to that category, and the software will generate domain names specifically tailored to your needs. It's a great way to get started if you're feeling stuck, or if you just don't know where to begin. What's also great about Domain Activator is that it lets you save your favorite domains. You can organize them into groups, making it super easy to keep track of the best options. Whether you're planning to buy them for a future project or flip them for profit, having everything neatly organized in the software is a huge time saver. To top it all off, the software is available with a commercial license. This means you can actually use it to generate domains for clients and offer domain generation as a service. If you have a business where you're helping others come up with domain names or branding ideas, this could be a really valuable tool to add to your toolkit. Plus, you get 10 computer installs, which is great if you have a team or multiple devices. So, if you're looking for a fast, efficient, and cost-effective way to generate domain names, check their availability, and evaluate their worth, Domain Activator is definitely worth checking out. I've personally found it to be an invaluable resource, and I think you'll be impressed with how much time and effort it can save you. Whether you're building a brand, starting a new business, or getting into domain flipping, this tool has everything you need to make the process smoother and more profitable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.